Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo.
And Shrutspa.
The year is ending, you know.
I'm quite proud of it. I've
You're
done a lot
proud?
this year. Yes, I
Wow.
slipped that in.
Giving me a complex already. But yeah, because nobody really says like where did the year go? I didn't do anything. So I'm also in that zone. But I thought
I think you've also done a lot, yeah. Excuse me. How many million views were seen of all the total this thing? You just shared a story of you. Which year of yours has that ever happened? 59
that's
million?
true.
How many were there?
59
Batao,
million
abhi batao mujhe.
minutes.
And did she just say कि इस साल कुछ accomplish नहीं किया?
I mean, I thought that was a normal number, but then I got messages.
घुमा के ना कान के नीचे पड़ेगी.
I guess it was nice. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know why you all watched all the bakwas we do, but
I'm getting teared up. ऐसा emotion हो रहा है अभी.
It's more surprising for me than anyone else, but yeah, just happy we are a part of your lives. But I thought as the year's ending, let's get to Mr. Nair.
And be proud of him and his song.
Hey, well said. I like it. I didn't even think of that. But yes, I thought because we've not gotten to this album all year, even though we tried many times, we did get to a couple of singles. But here's one that's been highly requested from a long time. And as the new year begins, I promise this album will get covered. It's just, I mean, he was going to drop an EP and then we were waiting for that and that. Whatever. We're here now. Let's get to the song. Highly requested.
It was meant to be right now. And I think the semblance is so perfectly on. New Year ke paas mein, this happening, like, meaningful hamesha hote hain. Like, Raftaar ke lyrics are always, they hit you in the right spot, right? That's the expectation. Yeah. So with this changing New Year, it was meant to happen now. So kya wo gade hote ke kab, kab karna tha, kab. Now is the time, so now it'll happen.
And let's hope this song gives us something to think about as the year's ending. It sounds like it will, from what I've been told. Okay, Raud, Raftaar, let's go. 1, 2, 3, play.
Yeah, Mr. Nair. 1988 से Bonfire. सब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you. रब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you. मेरा दिल बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you. घर वाले बोले we never doubted you. सब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you. रब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you. मेरा दिल बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you. घर वाले बोले we never doubted you. जो तेरा दिल तू वो बन आगे लेके जाएगी ये तेरी लगन तेरे सपनों के लिए अभी पैसे नहीं और मांग के लाए हम पैसे नहीं तो कर ले जो करना है करके जतन आज घुटन सहले तू तोड़ बदन जोड़ रकम जोड़ ले धन सोना छोड़ दे हाथ ना फैलाना जीना चौड़ से सन ये नायरों की शान के खिलाफ मूर्खों से लड़ना ये ज्ञान के खिलाफ समझेंगे नहीं ये कि दिल तेरा साफ इंसान के नहीं तू अपमान के खिलाफ हक की लड़ाई है तो लड़ हक की कमाई है तो कभी छोड़ियो ना एक पैसा तूने अभी देखी कम दुनिया तो जान लेके हर कोई होता नहीं एक जैसा तू काबिल तो मौके मिलेंगे पर मौके देने वालों से भी धोखे मिलेंगे बेटा रोके करियो ना नाम बदनाम मेरा कह दियो अब सीधा शो पे मिलेंगे तो ये लो कर डाली बात दफन पर घर से निकला सर बांध कफन जैसे मर के निकला फिर आग से बन के वो बाज जो करता ना हार पसंद सब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you रब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you मेरा दिल बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you घर वाले बोले we never doubted you सब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you रब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you मेरा दिल बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you घर वाले बोले we never doubted you कर कभी भी मुझ पे शक ना माँ ने बोला मेरी इज्जत तू रखना पापा बोले सही राह पे चलना छोटे में बड़े में कभी करना फर्क ना जाग रहा था कि काली रात साथ छोड़े मेरे बादली के भाई मेरे साथ दौड़े करे भूल बेटा किसी पे भी हाथ छोड़े दिल रोया जब माँ ने स्कूल आके हाथ जोड़े पर माँ को भी था ये पता कि कपड़ों पे हंसते बड़ा थे रही सादे पापा देखे घर करे माँ का काम माँ बनी पापा पूरी तनख्वाह से मेरी फीस डाले बेटा अब गाड़ी में न कीस डाले सड़कों पे क्रूज हाईवे पे खींच डाले सबके घर वालों से मेरी ये गुजारिश ने सपने जीने दो इनके गले में न लीस डाले दिल बना मैक्स फिर बना रफ्तार सबर हमारी मेरी भूख जैसे इफ्तार कलमकार परिवार नया सपना कलाकार से भी ज्यादा हर कोई अपना तभी अब फीलिंग लू सीधा 20 फुट ऊंची सीलिंग लू खन्ना भाई कर लेना डीलिंग तुम साथ हो तो बांट लो ये बीलिंग दावत है आज मेरे अपनों की दावत है ये मेरी चाहत है सबको खिलाने की छोटी सी चाहत है आदत है लड़ भिड़ के चलने की बचपन से आदत है राहत है मेरे अपनों की खुशी में बहुत ज्यादा ताकत है सब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you रब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you मेरा दिल बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you घर वाले बोले we never doubted you सब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you रब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you मेरा दिल बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you घर वाले बोले we never doubted you सब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you रब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you मेरा दिल बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you घर वाले बोले we never doubted you सब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you रब बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you मेरा दिल बोले मुझे that I'm proud of you घर वाले बोले we never doubted you इस सफर में जिसने भी साथ दिया है सबका शुक्रिया अब कहानी आगे लेके जाएगी कलमकार परिवार और इश्य बॉय रफ्तार नहीं इश्य भाई रफ्तार
Oh,
रा
oh, nice. Dude. Oh, I love it. 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 I love it.
I'm feeling so happy. जैसे affirmations करते हैं और खुशी होती है ना, because always in hip hop we'll always hear songs which are all about ये बुरा था, वो बुरा था, उसने धोखा दे दिया, इसने धोखा दे दिया, अरे हम तो ये हो गए, वो हो गए. This is such a fresh change from that, where it's like you're being thankful for everything. Everyone's proud of you. You're thankful. You're thankful. I love it. I love it. This is such a good song.
Just the energy in the song. Like I was like, bring on the new year. I was like,
Yeah.
I was feeling proud of the year gone by. Like as we were discussing before, I was like, okay, now I'm feeling proud. Like, okay, kuch kiya hai saal mein. But oh my God, this is like, it's the motivation and the real stuff, and you know, even the personal stuff he talked about his parents and
Yeah.
all those moments and things like that. So freaking raw and real, and just you know, they just hit you. Like I was, it's like I don't have the words, I'm just blabbing now, but
I know what you mean.
the song
because I
puts you in that
experienced-
zone. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like pure power. The song is punching so much power towards you, and it's not like there is power in the song, and it's sharing that power with you. Like how in the end he even said, "Na, ke sabko khilana main chahta hu, and that's meri chaah. Like main sabke sath baatna chahta hu. I want to share and grow together." That was
Yeah.
the feeling. This song is literally sharing that power with you, and
Yeah.
it leaves you with that much energy, which is it's a tough thing to do. Like you know, while the rhyme scheme and everything is on one side, I think Raftaar ki आवाज और जो 3-4 तरीकों में he changed his voice in the song, all that deserves like a separate discussion altogether.
Yeah.
His voice is just mind blowing. That expression, you know, in the voice, and end में how he even उसकी singing voice चल रही थी, सारा चल रहा था, and then end में he gave dialogues. Those dialogues, his spoken voice, मेरे मतलब I was like, hello, wrong to khade. Like it was
Yeah.
amazing.
And you know, the best part was when the last line that he ended, it's like, it's not, it's your boy, it's your bhai. It literally summed up the whole thing, because it felt like Big Brother is here, and he's full of this like positive freaking motivational energy, and anyone who comes in contact with it is it's gonna transfer to them. And and that's what was happening through this song and through the lyrics. And speaking of his voice changes, I really like, it really makes me wonder when he's recording, is he, you know, is he breaking it, or is he going nonstop and he's changing voice while recording? Because some, like, you finish a verse and then you record the thing after a break, or you know, in different takes. So it really makes me wonder. I mean, whatever way you do it,
transition was too smooth for it.
it was too smooth for a break. Yeah.
It sounded
At
like
places.
it was just and then the way he dropped you know, voice tonality in the middle of a verse, and then when he shifted it, it was like it made you take notice in a very nice way. So it was, and I think maybe not having a video kind of helped, because all your focus was then only towards, you know, listening
voice
to the
and
song
the-
that he
yeah.
did. Yeah. So wow.
But but like I feel when you're actually like, okay, you've written the song, and then you're thinking, okay, how am I going to deliver this line and this para and this like four bars, or and there's, I don't know how many people do it, but Raftaar does it a lot with the voice changing, right? Because there are so many voices this man has that he plays with, and he plays with them so easily. You know, I don't think it doesn't look like there's a lot of effort going into it. It's just like, you know, he's really worked on this, getting those different tonalities and pitches and,
I
all of
noticed
that.
that through his singing voice, like I'm counting hip hop also, like his singing voice within the verses, there is zero nasal. But when he was speaking those dialogues in the end, there was like a hint of nasal, which was making the voice texture sound very dreamy. Like it was wo alag ho gaya. And you know, which was very interesting for me to notice, because that nasal quality wasn't there through and through. Ab ya to baad mein kahin jukham laga and then he gave the last two dialogues, ya fir like, you know, it just his spoken voice is like that, which is the fact that it's making us think so much, matlab itna, you know, itna ghar kar diya us baat mein. So which is amazing. Very good
But
song,
I mean, the takeaway from this is like, I want to hit the gym now. I was literally imagining myself working out while listening to this. I'm proud of myself. Proud of myself. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Jump.
I just want to kill it. I want to do an extra set, like, you know, 10 extra reps. Like that's what I was feeling. But
Go for it.
But I mean, I don't know about the rest of the album, but so far this is my favorite. It's
I love
just
it. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Yes, absolutely.
Now I know why so many requests came in, because like this is a song that people will listen to even 10 years down the line and freaking love and use it to motivate themselves when they need to pick themselves up.
अभी
Love
1.5
it.
साल बाद हम सुन रहे हैं और हमें ऐसा लग रहा है since it's released 1.5 साल हो गया ना
I
April
don't know.
2020 it's written.
But this is not the official channel, no? This is a lyrical
Oh, so then it
video.
must be even before that. So minimum 1.5 साल तो हो गया. That means
Yeah.
उससे longer भी हो सकता है. So wow.
2020. So I think it's been 1.5 saal. Sometime last year it released. Very good. So damn. This is the best way to end the year, I feel, with this song. So on that note, feel proud of yourselves and keep using songs like this and thoughts like these to motivate yourselves. And Dylan Nair.
If you're like Jojo, then always while listening to hip hop and such tracks, just keep a bunch of weights around. ज़्यादा zone में घुस गए उसी time weight मारना शुरू कर दो. Simple.
Or as you don't need weights, as David Goggins says, if you have a floor, you have a gym. Just start doing push-ups. That's it. You don't need anything else. So yeah, on that note, check Miss Bola out. She's on Instagram. Handles below. Send me more requests on my Instagram. DM me. Don't leave comments on posts for requests. Just send it through DMs. That's my only request. And do support this channel and take very good care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.